Hi guys, I'm here in my very dirty Mercedes, and as you can see, it's driving nice. So it's been fixed. What happened? I'll let you know in just a second. And here we are. So what happened? Most of you probably saw my old video where I kind of hinted that I had some mechanical problem, something broke on the Mercedes, the way I was driving slow, and asking if you knew which of my cars broke down. And of course, at the end of the video, you could see it was the Mercedes. What else could it be? All right. What happened with the Mercedes? Well, it started driving really bad, smelling really bad, like unburned fuel, and idling really rough. It stayed on, but it idled rough, and strangely enough, I did not have a check engine light. I did suspect it would be a coil, just by how it acted, but since there was no check engine light, I took it to a place to have it checked out, and I was right, it was a coil on I think number 2. So that is not dramatic. You had to order a new coil, put it in, and yeah, that was the end of the story. After that, the car ran great. And let's open the hood and listen to how great it runs. Let's do that together. I'll wriggle it a little bit, pull, and here we go. All right. See, sounds better again. Idle's good, runs smooth, can't complain. So there's a lot to talk about with the W140s. A lot of issues can happen, but there's one thing: they run so smooth and they drive so good. You feel like you're in a modern new car. It's just amazing. Since we're out here, let's have a look at the car, just how good it looks. Not much else happened to it. Didn't drive it much during this winter. There you go. Still clean. Soft close works. Well, of course now it didn't because I slammed the door. Let's do this. There you go. Soft close still works. It's not a bad car at all. I like it. And yeah, let's see if it keeps running. I hope so. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Short update on the Mercedes. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time.